Positive Day Believers, this is Dr. Gigi from I Can Change Project. So this afternoon, sasagot tayo ng isang tanong na tinanong sa atin mga 1 week ago. So basahin natin maraming mga questions pero isa lang muna sasagutin natin. From Camille Joy, sabi niya, Ma'am G, gawa ka po ng vlog about teen entrepreneurs. Ayan. So it's a very good question, very good suggestion. So this afternoon, this vlog is about teen entrepreneurs. So paano ba tayo maging entrepreneur na bilang teenager? Paano ba tayo magkumita? Paano tayo mag-establish na ating small business? Okay? So, these are my 4 suggestions. If you are a student ng grade, pwede ka grade 10, junior high school, senior high school, college student, so pwede mo itong gawin. Alright? So, very simple. Paano ba tayo maging entrepreneur o paano tayo kumita or how do we start to focus our mind on how to, how to have our income as early as now. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na na-miss namin nung college kami. When we were in school, we were not taught to become entrepreneur. May mga kulang na naituro sa amin on how to handle your finances, how to start earning money. So, yun yung mga kulang. So, good thing ngayon sa ating mga teenagers, marami na tayo mga nababasa sa YouTube na papanood, mga advices coming from other people on how to start your journey on being entrepreneur as early as teenager. Okay? So these are my 4 suggestions, 4 top suggestions na nakita ko. I observed it from different people na nakilala ko, mga napuntahan kong lugar. Nakita ko na feasible na pwede mong simulan. Okay? So number 1, para kumita ka ng pera at maging entrepreneur in the long run, start your YouTube channel. Yeah. I watched the story of Michelle Pan and nag-start lang siya as, when she stopped yung kanyang college days. I believe parang gano'n ng story. Nag-start na siya ng kanyang YouTube channel. At so, hanggang sa eventually, alam naman natin, napanood ko, kasama siya sa top 10 na highest paid YouTuber or vlogger sa buong mundo, di ba? So, hindi pa naman ganun yung ating, yung intention ng buong mundo. But, you can start it. You can earn, magsimula ka sa a few dollars. Like in my case, kagabi, I check, kanina pala, I earned $4.73. So, hindi ganun kalaki, pero little by little, it can become, as your medium to earn money. Okay? So, ang advantage nito sa mga teens, yung YouTube is, masyado, mga technical person kayo, mga techie, yan. You can edit, you can explore. Yung mga topics na gusto mo, gusto rin ng mga viewers sa YouTube. Okay? And second is, you can be a reseller online. So, ang dami mga products online na nakikita ko. Pwede kang maging reseller. Di ba yung mga millennials naman, mga teenagers, gusto niyan na nasa internet, di ba? Nasa Facebook, social media. So, pwede kang maging reseller ng different products. So, dito hindi mo kailangan ng puhunan o konti lang puhunan na kailangan mo. You just get product from the producer, tapos pwede mong i-resell online, like yung mga gadgets siguro maliliit. So, pwede kang makipag-partner and you just get percentage to something, di ba? Kung kumita ka ng 1,000 a week, that's good, di ba? And the third is, you join a networking company na with products, Ako, I suggest yung with products talaga, na hindi ka naman may scam. Kasi like yung may pamangkin ko, sumali siya sa Lean Green ba yun? Green Lean. So, nag-start siya ng 2,800 lang ang kanyang puhunan. So, ngayon, nag-earn na siya ng money. Masipag ka lang maging, mag-sell ng product. Ang kagandahan nitong networking na to, na with your selling products, you'll be meeting new people. At pag na-meet natin different types of people, meron tayong mga natutunan, di ba? And then, nalilinya ka sa sales. Sabi nga na isang sikat na YouTuber, si Tony Robbins, actually, sabi niya, you cannot earn money if you cannot sell. So, one of the major skills na dapat nating matutunan this 2018 is how to sell, how to market. So, pag nasa network ka, nasa networking business ka, so you learn how to, deal with people, how to discuss things. Pag may conversation, natutunan mo, paano ka bigla masisingit mo na yung product mo, and before knowing it, yung kausap mo, nakabili na pala ng product mo. So, it's a skill. So, malayo mararating mo when you start that, when you enhance your communication skill plus yung selling, yung strategy mo. Alright, so that's the third. And fourth, you can create your own products. So, pwede kang mag-create like, pwede kang magawa ng mga accessories. Mamumuna ka lang dito, mga 2,000. So, I read one story na nagsimula lang sa mga bracelets. So, ngayon, meron na siya malaking, ang dami na nagbebenta ng products niya. So, pwede kang magawa ng sarili mong bracelet, sarili mong necklace, mga accessories na hindi naman mahal ang mga raw materials. So, pwede mong gawin yan during your vacant time. Tapos, magtinda ka muna sa mga klase mo, kamag-anak mo, kapatid mo, di ba? So, wag ka muna maghangad ng malaking tubo. Kasi yung exact lang na natututo kang mag-develop your creativity, then eventually, yung selling skill mo pa rin, nandun pa rin siya. Or, kung the accessories, scrapbook, pwede yan, journal, so you can make your own scrapbook. So, pwede sila mag-order sa'yo. Pwedeng sulatan mo na, may names nila and everything. So, pwede yon by order. So, you can create your own products and sell it. Okay? So, ito lang yung 4. These are 4. Pero marami pa yan. But, I think these 4 are doable. Pwede siyang gawin ng hindi mo na kailangan ng puhunan na malaki. Hindi mo rin kailangan ng maraming time. You can do this during your vacant time, vacant hours. So, basta ang strategy lang dyan, meron kang plan, mag-devote ka ng 1 or 2 hours a day for this. Hindi pwedeng naisip mo lang, kahit wala kang pang-naisip na gawin, basta umupo ka in your own, sa area mo sa bahay, pag upo mo, gawin mo na yan, you do this. So, magplano ka, you choose one of these na pwede mong gawin. Or you can choose 2 of these things na sinare ko. Okay, so, hope, Camille, Joy, ay nakatulong tayo sa iyo and dun sa iyong mga friends. Pwede mo na po itong i-share yung aking video. By the way, ang dami pala nag-share ng aking video. Chinek ko yung video manager ko kanina. More than 2,000 shares na tayo ng mga video. Thank you very much dun sa mga nag-share. Okay, so be a teen entrepreneur. Be happy. Start your journey towards entrepreneur as early as now. Congratulations to you. Let me know if you start this one. Mag-comment ka, then we'll be answering para makatulong tayo sa iba pa nating mga G-Livers. Alright, so thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go!